Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. And trust me, this one could be a big step forward for foldable phones. According to a recent report from NewsX, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 8 very soon, likely at its July 22, 2026 Unpacked event in London. Now let's get into what actually matters, the upgrades. First up, battery life, which has always been a weak point for foldables. The Fold 8 is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery, making it the biggest battery ever in the Fold series. And here's the exciting part. Samsung might finally upgrade charging speeds to 45 watts or even 60 watt fast charging, which is a massive jump from previous generations. Next, let's talk about the design. Reports suggest Samsung could introduce a new, wider form factor, making the phone more practical for everyday use, especially when folded. On the display side, you're still getting that immersive foldable experience, with around a 7.6-inch inner screen, perfect for multitasking, gaming, and content consumption. And there's more. Leaks also hint at the possible return of the S Pen, which could make this device a productivity beast. But here's the real story. While the Fold 8 might not completely reinvent the design, Samsung is focusing on refining what matters most: battery, usability, and performance. So yeah, this could be less of a revolution and more of a smart evolution. Now here's the big question. Is this finally the foldable that gets everything right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech updates. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.